Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about top 10 most luxurious yachts. So make sure to watch the full video. These gigantic vessels occupy all the life's luxury in one place, built only with premium materials for optimal durability and beauty. The most expensive yachts in the world are veritable palaces on the water. Not just that, boarding them is also a matter of style. Owners do so in helicopters that land on the deck of the boat. Each yacht is a sleek, stunningly beautiful vessel powered by some of the world's best engines. They slice through the seas at high speeds, with no occupant feeling the lightest of discomfort. The materials used to build the yachts are of the finest quality to ensure that the shine and durability are worth the hefty price tags. The biggest yachts in the world are famously dubbed super yachts because of their size and luxury factor. History Supreme. History Supreme is the world's most expensive yacht. It was designed by Stuart Hughes for an anonymous Malaysian businessman. Reports speculate that the businessman is Robert Cook, the founder of Shangri-La Hotels and Resorts chain with an estimated net worth of $12 billion as per Forbes. The 30-meter yacht took 3 years to complete, and around 100,000 kilograms of solid gold and platinum was used in the construction of this extravagant boat. One of the prominent areas where gold was used is the boat's base, which is wrapped in a thin sheet of the yellow metal. The other areas adorned with a dash of gold include the deck, railings, dining area, and even the anchor. A real dinosaur bone from a T-Rex mounted on a wall made of meteoric stone is one of the luxurious furnishings in the yacht's main sleeping quarter. Eclipse. Measuring 162.5 meters, Eclipse is a super yacht owned by former Chelsea boss and billionaire Russian oligarch Roman Abramovich. It is also one of the world's most expensive private yachts. Eclipse has a missile detection system and bulletproof windows to protect the occupant in its master suite. Abramovich's yacht, which he bought in 2010, has a maximum speed of 21 knots and a maximum range of 6,000 nautical miles on a full tank. Designed by Terry Disdale, the vessel was constructed by German shipbuilder Blohm plus Voss. Following the Russian invasion of Ukraine, the UK imposed sanctions on Abramovich, following which his yacht was reportedly spotted in Turkey, where it can be safe from seizure. It was the world's biggest yacht until the president of UAE and Emir of Abu Dhabi, Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, bought the super yacht Azam in 2013. Azam, the 179-meter-long vessel, is the world's largest private yacht, a record it has held since 2013. Built by German shipbuilder Lürssen Yachts, the boat is a fine masterpiece merging luxury with technology. Like Eclipse, Azam has its own missile defense system and bulletproof master suite. It is so finely balanced that the chandelier inside the boat doesn't rattle even at top speed. Additionally, it is one of the fastest yachts on Earth, touching 30 knots extracted from the combined 35,048 kilowatts power of 4 engines. The interiors of Azam are done by French interior decorator Christophe Leone, and the exteriors are crafted by Nata Yacht. A Plus. Formerly named Topaz, A Plus is another one of the extravagant yachts built at Lürssen. Like Azam, A Plus is also owned by a powerful name from the UAE. Deputy Prime Minister Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Launched in 2012, while the boat's exterior was designed by Tim Haywood, Terence Disdale's namesake firm, Terence Disdale Design, worked on the spectacular interior of the vessel. Measuring 147 meters, the 7,990 up engine takes it to a maximum speed of around 23 knots. 2 diesel generators provide power to the stabilizers for all onboard systems. Motor Yacht A. One of the mega yachts of the world, Motor Yacht A is reportedly owned by Russian billionaire Andriy Melnichenko. A unique thing about the yacht is its exterior design. It resembles a stealth warship. Launched in 2008, it was built by Blohm plus Voss and designed by Martin Francis and Philip Stark. Motor Yacht A is 122 meters long. Its master bedroom measures 232 square meters. Considered one of the largest luxury yachts, The vessel has a glass-bottom swimming pool above a disco, besides 2 swimming pools. A helicopter hangar and a speedboat measuring around 9 meters are also part of the yacht. Additionally, the walls separating 6 guest suites can be moved to create 4 spacious staterooms. Dubai. Most of the expensive yacht owners are residents of the UAE, and Dubai, named after one of the biggest cities in the Gulf country, is no exception. Dubai is reportedly owned by the Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. The yacht was constructed by Blohm plus Voss in 2006 and was originally commissioned by Prince Jeffrey Bolkiah of Brunei. It is one of the most extravagant yachts in the world, equipped with a mosaic swimming pool, several sunbathing areas and jacuzzis, a split-level owner's deck, a helipad, and a circular glass staircase, which changes color when lit from above. Serene. Mohammed bin Salman, the Crown Prince of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, is one of the world's most powerful men. Equipped with powerful engines, his yacht, Serene, perfectly complements its royal owner's global status. Serene is fitted with 8 diesel-electric MTU 2,828 AP engines, which give the vessel a maximum speed of 25 knots. It can travel 6,000 nautical miles at 15 knots on a full 800,000-liter tank. The 133.9-meter-long superyacht was made by Italian shipbuilder Fincantieri for Russian vodka tycoon Yuri Shefler in 2011. Its external design is the work of Espen Onino, while the interior has been done by Raymond Langton Design. One of the most famous personalities to have rented the vessel before the Saudi Crown Prince acquired it was billionaire Bill Gates, who took it on a lease of $5 million per week. Radiant. Radiant is owned by Emirati businessman Abdullah Al Fattaim. Built by Lursen in 2009, its exterior reflects the style of Tim Haywood and the interiors of Glenn Pushelberg. While the decks are made of teak wood, its exterior is made of aluminium. The Radiant measures 110 meters and can attain a maximum speed of 21 knots powered by its twin 8,715 twin diesel NTU engines. One of its unique features is a water cannon, which the vessel can use against pirates, a major threat in the waters just off the coast of Somalia. Al Said. At 15,850 tons, Al Said is the world's highest displacement superyacht, measuring 154 meters. The vessel was built by Lursen in 2008. While Espen Onino did the exteriors of the vessel, the interior was designed by Ardadi, named after the late Sultan of Oman. Qaboos bin Said Al Said. The yacht is believed to be currently owned by an unnamed Omani royal. The Al Said is fitted with twin diesel 11,149 NTU engines, which give a maximum cruise speed of 25 knots. Pelorus. Pelorus is a class apart, one of the biggest yachts in the world. It was built by Lursen in 2003. Its current owner, billionaire and Hong Kong property tycoon Samuel Tak Lee, bought the vessel from an unnamed member of the UAE royal family. Named after the Greek word pelorius, which means vast, the vessel is 115 meters long. Its interior was designed by Terence Tisdale and its exterior by Tim Haywood. Pelorus has a history of frequent changes to its ownership. It was previously owned by American film mogul David Geffen. Before that, Roman Abramovich bought it from a Saudi Arabian businessman. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.